Hello everyone, I am Sai Jathan. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to talk about the build quality and the design of the Realme X7 Max device. As you can see friends, so right now I'm using the Realme X7 Max and this is my day one of using this device, and I'll try to talk about all the initial impressions, what I feel about this Realme X7 Max new design and new material it's used on the back side. And in case if you want me to do any other videos, so make sure to comment below under this community post which I have created, as you can see 1 hour ago. Try to comment under this community post friends, because it will be very much easy for me to go through all the requests at once. So make sure to comment under the community post. So first thing, the Realme X7 Max, as soon as you hold in the phone, you will definitely notice this kind of new matte type of texture, which is really good friends. So this is my first impressions. As soon as I hold the phone, I can actually feel a lot of difference when I'm holding the previous Realme phones versus this particular phone, which is really well made, thought from them. That is what I did like, but I'm not sure whether I'll be using without case throughout the time. That's another fact you need to consider, because most of the people, they will definitely use the case for the premium end smartphone. But if you don't use any kind of case, this texture kind of feels of really good. You can hear really good sounds, as you can see friends. It doesn't even attract much fingerprint scanners, so fingerprints as well, as you can see, it doesn't even attract the fingerprints from fingers at all. And in the middle portion, there is a completely gloss, and that attracts a lot of fingers. And as you can see, it will definitely attract a lot of fingerprints on this glassy type material. And you can see this kind of logo as well, which is present here. So finally, thank you Realme for making this logo really small. That is what I did hate previously in the plenty of Realme smartphones. So previously it used to be big logo, date to lip. I don't know why they did that kind of strange thing with the previous mobile phones, but finally they decided to put at least this small logo. That's fine, totally fine for me, no issues, because it's going with it's in kind of embedded in this glossy, so no need of it doesn't even bother me much right now. But that's a really good thought. And there's a little bit kind of camera bump as well on the back side, as you can see, and you do get this kind of curve at the back side to the front side as well from both directions. That's another neat touch. And all the display size is of 6.4 inches, so it's not too big as well, it's not too small, so it's kind of perfect size. I would feel definitely for the normal user who can easily hand in single hand usage without any kind of difficulties. As you can see here, it's really good. All the bezels are too small except the bottom one, which is slightly big. I'll try to do the comparison with other smartphones as well, in case if you want me to do that kind of comparison. And on the one side, you do have the power button on this side, and the volume buttons are present on this side. And let me try to show you the fingerprint scanner exact position. Where is the fingerprint scanner? I'm trying to show you. Let me try to add the fingerprint. As you can see friends, right now the fingerprint scanner is too much bottom to the close to this kind of bezel, as you can clearly see friends. So which is kind of okay, but it's not that great, because I did expect the fingerprint scanner to present around this area. So previously in the Realme X2 Pro, if you remember, they did put the fingerprint scanner bottom. Again in the X7 Pro, they changed it to top side. Again in this X7 Max, they changed it again to the bottom side. I don't know why they came up with this kind of problem, but it doesn't annoy me much. But still, there's this kind of thing to know as well from this Realme X7 Max. And apart from that, let's check the weight. Weight is another thing which I particularly like with this Realme X7 Max device, in terms of the weight, which is really good. So let me try to check the weight right now. 178 grams, as you can see friends, which you definitely will feel really light while holding this device, and it's very comfortable to hold for long hours. When you're trying to play the games, it's really comfortable to hold as well. Because of this small screen size, you will feel really comfortable, and it will not be painful as well for your hands if you're holding for long times. So 178 grams is really sweet spot for this. Even the phone has got the 4000 mAh of battery capacity, but still the weight is really good in this phone. That is another thing which I particularly like. And we do have the dual speakers, one in the bottom and one in the top. I'll try to do the speaker test very soon. I did feel the earpiece slightly smaller grills are present. I'll try to compare with other smartphones. If you notice, the speaker grill is slightly smaller. I'll try to compare with other smartphones, particularly with this one. I'll try to test very soon the loudspeaker test as well. But overall friends, this is a quick initial impressions about the design and build quality of this Realme X7 Max. So out of 5, I will definitely give 5 out of 5 for this, in terms of the build quality mainly, which I particularly like. The small screen size and compact size and not much weight, and this kind of new material which is really thoughtful of them. And I did wait for the Milky Way color, but I thought of first ordering one phone to review. So instead of focusing on the color right now itself, I thought of just ordering a black one and doing the reviews on this particular model, so which will be kind of helpful for a lot of other users instead of waiting for Milky Way color. So thank you friends for watching this video, and make sure to check the links in description for more videos. It is a playlist which I have created for each and every smartphone. Try to check the playlist and you'll get to know much in-depth details about the phone, whether to buy or not. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.